Hello everyone, I welcome you all again. Today we will try to understand the different participants in the buying decision process. Now, who are the people involved in the decision making units? So, in the participants in industrial buying process, first we will understand what is industrial buying. Industrial buying is also known as organizational buying, or it is called as business buying. Industrial buying is different from the consumer's buying process. Now, how is it different? Because whatever the industrial people or the people involved in this decision making process, the action or the decision which they take is to earn more of profit. The purchases which they make here, it is of bulk quantities, and consumers when they buy in smaller quantities. So, industrial buying process is the process of making purchase decision regarding raw material or other components which will be required for their organization. So, participants here in buying decision process are initiators, buyers, deciders, influencers, approvers, users, and gatekeepers. Let us try to understand each one of it in detail. Now, usually the initiators are somebody who would feel or who would need any product. Okay, so when the need arises by any of the individual in the organization, it may be if there is a wear and tear issue of the material, there is wear and tear issue of the machinery. So the person who initiates or who feels that certain products needs to be purchased for the increasing the efficiency of the company, or the people at the top level management may feel that we are supposed to bring up a new machinery for the employees, okay, so that we can increase the efficiency. So they are the initiators over here. So initiators are the ones who initiate or recognize the need of a particular product requirement in the organization for the enhancement or to increase the efficiency. Now, many a times the people at the quality control department or the engineering department may feel that certain product needs to be brought in the organization, and that would help them to increase the profitability. So they are the initiators. Users. Now, who are users? Now, users comes in the category the people who are actually making use of those commodities, or the people who are going to use the product or require it for smooth functioning of their organization. Suppose the people at the floor level may require a particular tool or to so that it will help them to do their work very quickly. Okay, so they are the users there. There may be people, even if the quality control department may feel that certain product has to be brought, so they are the initiators over here. But actually, who is going to make use of the tool? The people at the floor level. So the one who is practically going to make use of the product or the raw material, they are called as the users. We will move to the next one. Our next one are the buyers. Now, who are buyers? Now, buyers' role is very critical in the organization and in the whole decision making process. Okay, why? Because they are the one who are actually going to make the purchases. Okay, so when they make the purchase decision, they have to select the suppliers. So how are going to select the supplier? When they're selecting the vendor, they have to check the terms and conditions, they have to negotiate with them, they even have to check whether all the goods are going to reach them at proper time, whether the delivery is going to happen properly, and when it is going to happen, and even the buyers have the full authority, they have the full control over the buying decision process, because they are going to meet the vendor, they're going to negotiate with the vendor, they're going to take all the proposals, all the quotations, and they're going to thoroughly they'll go through all the vendors detail, so that the decision is taken appropriately, because buyers would be answerable if there is any problem in the delivery or in any kind of terms and conditions. The next are your influencers. Now, who are influencers? Influencers are the people. They can be of different levels and from different department also. And what do they influence? They might differ from person to person or post to post. These people are basically who would influence the decision, and whatever knowledge and whatever information they have, Okay, they will pass on to the department or to the company, and they would even request, or they would even suggest the top level management that what cost will be feasible, what kind of product they're supposed to bring in the company that would be beneficial for the organization. So influencers can be people from the top level management, or it can be people from the technical department, because they would know the specification of the product, they would know, because they are experienced, they are knowledgeable, they are experts, so they may give you the best suggestions and their views. Next is your deciders. Who are deciders? Deciders are people who make the final decision. They have the authority to decide whether to buy a certain product or not. Okay, when we have different samples from the vendors, ठीक है, हाँ vendors हमें बहुत सारे samples देके जाते हैं, और उन samples में से अभी हमें choose करना है कि कौन से goods हमें लेने हैं और कौन से goods हमें नहीं लेने हैं. So deciders क्या करेंगे? Deciders हमारे वो सारे samples को देखेंगे, सारे samples को वो examine करने के बाद they would feel कि ये particular product अच्छा है या नहीं है, उसमें specifications है या नहीं. Okay, and their role is also very important here, क्योंकि अगर जो भी हमारे रूटीन वाले, अगर हमें कोई गुड्स अगर खरीदना है, कोई रॉ मटेरियल खरीदना है, तो वो कौन डिसाइड करता है? दैट इज डिसाइडेड बाय द परचेज एग्जीक्यूटिव, दे आर द डिसाइडर्स ओवर हियर. लेकिन अगर हमारे मटेरियल्स जो है वो बहुत, अगर कॉस्ट उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व है, ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे हमारे जो सीनियर मैनेजमेंट्स के लोग आते हैं, सीनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव्स या टॉप मैनेजमेंट वहाँ पे इंटरफेयर करते हैं, या वो लोग वहाँ पे डिसाइड करते हैं कि कौन सा मशीनरीज आना चाहिए इफ़ इट इज़ ऑफ उसका अगर कॉस्ट अगर ज़्यादा है तब. Okay, then we have the approvers. Now who are approvers? Approvers are somebody जो हम लोगों को डिसीजन लेने में हेल्प करते हैं. ठीक है, approvers ऐसे लोग हैं, they can be people from the finance department or from the users, because approvers का क्या होता है? approvers डिसाइड करते, डिसीजन लेने में हेल्प करते हैं. ओके, एंड दे हैव अथॉराइज टू डू दैट, क्योंकि अगर फिनेंस डिपार्टमेंट अगर हमें बोलता है कि जितने का गुड्स हम लोग, कमोडिटीज हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, या फिर वी वुड हैव डिसाइडेड टू ब्रिंग दोज कमोडिटीज एंड आवर पॉकेट डजंट अलाउ अस दैट, हमारे कंपनी में उतने ज़्यादा फंड्स अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो फिनेंस डिपार्टमेंट उसको डिसअप्रूव भी कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज द गेट कीपर्स. ना गेट कीपर्स का काम क्या है? गेट कीपर्स का काम ये है कि जितना भी हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है, ओके, उस इंफॉर्मेशन को फिल्टर करने का काम है गेट कीपर्स का. गेट कीपर्स ऐसे लोग हैं जो लोग इनिशियली वेंडर से मिले होते हैं, ठीक है, उनका नेगोशिएशन हो चुका होता है. ओके, दे वुड, वो लोग टच में आ चुके हैं, दे हैड अ लॉट ऑफ मीटिंग विद देम, ठीक है, और उसके बाद फिर हम लोग सारे वेंडर्स को, या फिर हम सारे सप्लायर्स जो भी हमारे, जिनके पास भी हमारा कोटेशन जो आया है, हम सभी लोगों को टॉप मैनेजमेंट के पास नहीं लेके जाते हैं. हमें उन लोगों में से सेग्रीगेट करना पड़ता है, हमें उन लोगों में से, हम लोगों को जो हमारे लिए नीड नहीं है या जो हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, अगर ऐसे वेंडर्स है तो हमें उनको शॉर्टलिस्ट करना पड़ता है. तो जो शॉर्टलिस्टिंग का काम है वो हमारे गेट कीपर्स करते हैं. ओके, दे अलाउ ओनली दैट इंफॉर्मेशन फेवरेबल टू देयर ओपिनियन टू फ्लो टू द डिसीजन मेकर्स. उनको जो अच्छा लगता है उनके हिसाब से जो भी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, या जो भी अच्छे वेंडर्स है, अच्छे कोटेशन है, जो भी टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस है, जिसमें अच्छे वेंडर्स जो लेकर आया है, उनको ये लोग आगे फॉरवर्ड करते हैं. So these are the important people or the important decision makers who help in the buying process. और सभी का रोल बहुत ज़्यादा important है, सारे लोगों का, इनिशिएटर्स का, डिसाइडर्स, बायर्स, यूजर्स, अप्रूवर्स, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड गेटकीपर्स, बिकॉज इन सब के डिसीजन से, इन सब के इन्वॉल्वमेंट से कंपनी एक बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन लेती है अगर उनको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट अगर खरीदना है तो. ओके, थैंक यू ऑल फॉर वॉचिंग दिस and hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much.